Today we'll be making Shrinky Dinks. You need your Shrinky Dink plastic, color pencil, hole puncher, and sandpaper. You'll be getting a sheet about like this. 4 to 5 images fit on here really well. You could draw these out. You could trace them off your Chromebook if you would like. I have some that are drawn out. I'm going to take from here. When you first get your shrinking paper, you'll need to sand one side. This gives your plastic some tooth to hold on to the colored pencil. We'll be using colored pencil for coloring and the Sharpie to trace out your image. You want to make sure those are the materials you're using so that they stay on there. Don't use a water-based marker or crayons. They won't work for this project. So you'll get your sandpaper and you're going to use a circular motion to buff the sandpaper like this. You would do the whole entire sheet. Once you get that, you'll kind of see it's scratched up right there. That's the side you'd add your color pencil to. I have one already done here. I sanded the one side. I traced it on both sides and put colored pencil on one side. So the way I did that was I picked an image. I'll pick this one. Put my piece down and go ahead and trace it out. Make sure you work towards the edge so you can squeeze more on here and you have enough room to where the hole punch is going to go. So I would just trace this on there. This will be really quick. Then what you can do is flip it over and do the same thing on the other side. That way you'll be able to see it on both sides. I'm not going to use that one. I'm going to use this one. Once you do that second side, go ahead and add the color pencil. So I've already added all of it. Just I need to do the last little bit. So right through here. You can use multiple color pencils to layer the colors if you'd like. So I have my image right there. Okay. Then I'm going to decide where I want this to hang. So like on the current one that I have right now, I picked right there for the hole to go. So you can decide where you want to do that. I'll probably do the same one here. So line that up. Make sure you have enough space for the outside. So I'm going to cut probably to there. You don't want this too close to the edge because it can vanish as it shrinks in the toaster oven. So I'm going to cut it out. Just cut a loose space out around your piece. It doesn't need to be super close. So if you have a bunch of sharp edges, just go ahead and round those. So I'm going to leave mine like that. When I have it like that, I go ahead and take it over to the toaster oven and bake it. It bakes at 350 and it only takes a couple minutes, so don't leave it unattended. And when you're done, you'll end up with an image like this.